Hey young bakers, welcome to 12 Kitchen Elves, where every child is a master chef. I'm Brittlind.
And I'm Alex. And today we are making the best chocolate cookies ever.
They're soft, chewy, and easy to make, even if you've never baked before.
Let's get started, but before we do, let's run through our safety checklist.
Aprons is a great way to protect your clothes from unexpected oopsies in the kitchen.
Chef hat will assure that your hair stays on your head, not in your food.
Make sure to wash your hands before working in the kitchen.
After all, germs are not welcome to participate in baking.
When working on any recipe, make sure to have adult supervision,
AKA sous chef.
So let's get started. For our delicious cookies, we're going to need a few ingredients: butter, white sugar, brown sugar, and vanilla.
Eggs, flour, baking soda, and salt. And of course, chocolate chips.
For this recipe, we're going to use melted butter.
Please have an adult assist you with this process. And to make sure that your recipe is right, it's important to use measuring cups and spoons.
We're going to need 1 cup of butter.
Melt it. 1 cup of white sugar.
Half cup of brown sugar.
Let's stir it up. It's like baking and working out at the same time.
Next, cracking 2 eggs.
Cleaning crew! Okay. Add 2 teaspoons of vanilla.
Then mix it up. Now, in another bowl, whisk together dry ingredients.
Flour, 2.5 cups.
Half a teaspoon of salt.
1 teaspoon of baking soda. And stir it up. Now, slowly add the dry mix to the wet mix. Don't pour it all at once.
Yeah, unless you want to look like a flour snowman. And now the most important thing.
Chocolate chips, 2 cups. Don't stir it too much. You don't want to break the chocolate chips.
Preheat the oven to 350.
But ask an adult to assist you with this. And while the oven's preheating, we are going to shape the cookies.
Preheat the oven to 350, then you said it.
Okay, yeah, you can just say.
Wait, okay, what do I say? While oven is preheating, we'll be shaping our cookies. We will need a tray
And parchment paper. We like medium-sized cookies, so we'll be using 2 tablespoons. Make sure to leave space in between the cookies so they don't connect.
And now it's time to send them in the oven.
Now comes the hardest part, waiting.
While we're waiting, let's clean up.
Rock, paper.
While waiting for cookies, let's learn some interesting facts.
Did you know that flour is made up from ground up grains?
People have been grinding grains for over 30,000 years.
That's older than pyramids. Chocolate comes from cocoa trees. Its seeds are called cocoa beans.
Did you know that you can tell if an egg is fresh by putting it in the water? If it sinks, it's fresh. If it floats, it's old.
It's time for cookies!
Make sure to ask an adult to help you with a hot oven.
I like my cookie with milk.
Me too.
The moment of truth.
These are officially cookie perfection.
I get like 20.
Let's maybe start with 2.
Thanks for baking with us today.
If you tried this recipe, tag us.
We would love to see your creations.
If you had fun, give us a like.
And subscribe to our channel. Bye!